Good morning, my name is Brianna Jimmy from Bangsa National High School. My question is, what do you think are the long-term effects of the system?
Long time or long term?
Long term.
Okay. Siyempre, the consumer will suffer because of the system loss. Because as I have said a while ago, there are two kinds of losses, no? Technical and non-technical, which can really be the burden for the consumers. It's whether it is non-technical or technical, still the consumers will be the ones who will suffer about this. Because even though they are not consuming or they are not the ones using those charges or Meralco charges or electricity, still they were the ones who are going to pay for them or are going to pay for that. So it's really them who will suffer at the end. The bottom line, still the consumers are the ones who will be suffering about this. And aside from we have the examples of families a while ago. Instead of they will buy or they will have something or amount to or money to buy for the diaper and the milk for their baby, but still those money will be what? Going to the electricity charge that they will be receiving from Meralco. So, sana nakakapag-save sila, but then, or yun ay dapat na ilaan na sa pangangailangan ng kanilang baby, but still, ibabayad pa rin nila sa kanilang electricity. No? Pero minsan, bago tayo magreklamo, syempre, tingnan muna natin kung saan talaga may defect. Katulad ng isang example na sa bahay naman talaga yung pala mayroong problema. So, hindi naman dahil sa system loss. Pero, part yan eh. Yung system loss, whether we like it or not, nasa bill na natin yan. Pero, wag naman sana yung mga non-technical ay ipakargo pa sa atin, no? Sa mga consumers. Okay. Any question?